The way you move your body to create efficient and powerful movements. What am I?
I help your body absorb nutrients and maintain overall health. What am I?
I help prevent injuries by absorbing shock during exercise. What am I?
I involve lifting heavy weights for a low number of repetitions. What am I?
I build both strength and cardiovascular endurance. What am I?
I describe the training principle that emphasizes training different muscle groups in the same workout. What am I? I come first in your gym routine, preparing your body for exercise. What am I? I get bigger when you lift weights, but I'm not the weight itself. What am I?
The more you use me, the stronger I become. What am I?
I talk to your muscles, telling them to move. What am I?
I help you confuse your muscles and keep them growing. What am I?
I break down during exercise before the other one, providing energy for your muscles. What am I? I pump iron but have no arms. What am I? I help you maintain proper posture and stability during exercise. I connect hard things. What am I? I represent the measurement of your body's ability to use oxygen during exercise. What am I?
I help improve your explosive power and speed. What am I?
I describe the ideal balance between training, nutrition, and rest for optimal muscle growth. What am I? I represent the breakdown of muscle tissue during exercise to provide energy. What am I?
The number of repetitions you complete in a set of exercises. What am I?
I describe the phase in bodybuilding where bodybuilders focus on reducing body fat while maintaining muscle mass. What am I?
I help you track your progress and stay motivated in the gym. What am I?
I describe the training method that combines exercises that mimic real-world movements for improved athletic performance. What am I?